Tomorrow we've got a high of 88, so we're expecting Wednesday at 87 and then Thursday at 90 before things cool off heading into the weekend. But that comes with some rain that we'll have to talk about Thursday, some stronger storms as well. So there's a lot with the 7-day forecast, including our weather alert for later this afternoon and really into tonight. You look at current temperatures here in North Texas, most are sitting in the 70s. We've got a couple of spots, Hillsborough and Corsicana, in the low 80s right now, but dew points are also in the 60s, so humidity is very high, likely around 50 to 70, even 80% right now. So it's warm and it's muggy. We've had a few light showers, a little bit of drizzle from time to time, and then of course we just kind of wait out to the west to start to see some storm development here over the next couple of hours. I keep the rain chances in at 20% as we head through the 5, 6, 7 o'clock hour, kind of anticipating a little bit of drizzle from time to time for parts of North Texas, and also watching for storm activity out to the west of Wichita Falls. Now, as we head into the 8 and 9 o'clock hour, you start to see the rain chances picking up 30%. Not everyone is going to see stormy weather overnight. Not everyone is going to see severe weather. Last few days, of course, this morning, Deminis was talking about it, and then Brittany and Jeff over the weekend, kind of emphasizing that even with this weather alert, it looked a little more likely that the stronger storms would be to the north and west. We have a pretty good cap in place here in North Texas, so as these storms move east, we're expecting them to run into a less favorable environment, so they tend to weaken some. Now, to the north and west, large hail and damaging winds will be possible, and then as long as these storms run into that less favorable environment, that capped environment over most of North Texas, it should kind of become a little bit more wind, maybe some gusty winds, a little bit of rain, and maybe some small hail in Denton County and in Wise County. But overall, the severe weather threat is lower for the Metroplex than it is to the north and west. And Storm Prediction Center agreeing, they've issued a tornado watch. It does include Stevens and Young counties as far as what we're concerned with here in North Texas, but the threat is really out to the west. Tornado watch goes until 9 o'clock this evening. There are no other watches in place right now, so no severe thunderstorm watches for any of North Texas. And even for Stevens and Young counties, it does look like the storm should be on a weakening trend as they move in. So we've been talking all day about our threats being large hail and wind damage, but again, it's the farther west you are. Tornado threat is low, flooding threat is low, not expecting a ton of rain with this, and you can see that on First Alert Futurecast. Just the next couple of hours, again, light scattered showers, but we get to that 7, 8 o'clock hour and you start to see to the west of Graham, to the west of Breckenridge, a couple of isolated cells developing, and they kind of hang out there for a little while. But as we head into that 10 o'clock hour, maybe watching up into Cook County, Montague County, all the way to Stevens and Young County to see if we get a few stronger storms. And yes, we still have some rain in the Metroplex, but then all of this moves east overnight. I've left the rain chances in at about 30% for tomorrow morning, and then I think as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we're done with the rain for a little while. We'll get some sunshine, and that's what helps those temperatures get up to 88, 87 on Wednesday, and then Thursday, while we hit 90 degrees, we could have some stronger storms. I think if we're issuing another weather alert for this week, it's probably coming on Thursday, and then some widespread rain on Saturday as well.